Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use synthetic division on polynomials. This powerful algebraic tool provides a streamlined approach to dividing polynomials, especially when your divisor is a simple linear binomial like x minus k. It significantly reduces the complexity and time involved compared to traditional long division. We will walk through the steps, making this often intimidating process clear and manageable for you. To begin, first arrange the coefficients of your polynomial in descending order of their powers. It is crucial to include a 0 for any missing terms. For example, if you have x cubed plus 5, you would write 1, 0, 0, 5. Next, identify the value of k from your divisor. If your divisor is x minus 3, then k is 3. Now let's perform the division. Start by bringing down the very first coefficient to the bottom row. This number will be the first coefficient of your quotient. Next, multiply this number by k and write the result under the second coefficient. Add these two numbers together. Continue this pattern. Multiply the new sum by k, place it under the next coefficient, and add. Finally, it is time to interpret your results. The numbers in the bottom row, excluding the very last one, are the coefficients of your quotient polynomial. Remember, the degree of this quotient will be one less than the original polynomial's degree. The last number in that bottom row is your remainder. If the remainder is 0, then your divisor is a factor of the polynomial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.